Look at this amazing rice flour thalipit. In Kannada we call it akki roti or akki thalipit. It tastes so good with the shenga chutney or the groundnut chutney and a lemon pickle. So today we will see how to make this rice flour thalipit. Making this recipe for 4 people, so you will need 2 carrots, 1 medium sized onion, handful coriander, 2 green chilies, a little ginger and a few curry leaves. Now finely grate the carrots, finely chop onion, coriander, green chilies, finely grate the ginger and chop the curry leaves. You will also need some sesame seeds, ajwain or carom seeds, cumin seeds and salt to taste. Once the spices and the vegetables are chopped, grated and ready, we will start making the recipe. I am using 4 cups of rice flour as I am making it for 4 people. You can use accordingly 1 cup of flour for each person in the family. After that, I am adding all the spices. You can adjust the salt according to your taste. Then I'll add all the vegetables. Now we will knead the dough using water. Before that, mix all the ingredients with the flour. Once all the ingredients are mixed nicely, use water little by little and knead a soft dough. For 4 cups of rice flour, I used about 1½ glass of water. The smooth rice flour dough is ready now. Now we'll cover the dough and let it rest for about 15 to 20 minutes. After that we will make the thalipits. It's 20 minutes now and I'll start making the thalipit. I'm using butter paper to make this recipe. You can also use banana leaf or a muslin cloth. Smear about 1 to 1½ spoon of oil on the butter paper. Then take a ball sized dough and place it on the butter paper and press it gently to give the shape. If the dough is sticking to your hand, you can dip your hand in water and then again start pressing it. Be very gentle here. If a few edges are broken, you can make them even with your fingers. Make 3 to 4 small holes in the thalipit to check the thickness, and also it helps in better cooking of the thalipit. Now heat a tawa and brush oil on it. Now you have to gently lift the butter paper with the thalipit and flip it on the heated tawa. After a few seconds, you can easily remove the butter paper. Now cover the lid and cook it for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, you can see the thalipit is slightly cooked and it has changed its color. Now put a spoon of oil and use a brush to spread it evenly. You can check if it is cooked on one side. Mine needs a little bit more cooking, so I'll cover and cook it for some more time. After 1 more minute of cooking, the thalipit is cooked and now I'll flip it on the other side. Now cover and cook for 2 more minutes on the other side as well. Now the thalipit is nicely cooked on both the sides. Fold it into half and serve hot with homemade groundnut chutney and curd, also with the lemon pickle. Enjoy this rice flour thalipit with your family and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Thanks a lot for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.